Somebody there? It's as though humans are forever at war with nature. Beauty literally falls from the sky and they immediately rush to spoil it with their machines. They won't rest until all of nature's beauty is... Have you even heard a word I said?
Jump! 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 Yes!
Bumblebee, is your commitment to all these electronic devices really necessary?
I hate to break it to you, Prowl, but you are one of these electronic devices.
Hey, what'd you do that for?
I was on level 230.
Autobots, listen up. Teletran 1's picking up a strange Cybertronian energy signal coming from the woods just outside the city.
Decepticon?
No, it's a non-sentient being. Most likely a piece of our ship, but I need someone to track it down and bring it back to the base before it falls into the wrong hands. So...
Camping trip! I mean, as your resident Earth expert, I should go along to supervise and help explain the complexities of nature.
Well, I don't suppose there's any harm in you going, sorry.
We are going camping! We are going camping! We are going
Camping? As in leaving the comfort of civilization? As in no TV? No music? No games? As in my circuits are gonna fry from boredom?
Don't worry, Bumblebee. Camping is fun. I'll show you guys the ropes.
Actually, you both could stand to unplug yourselves for a day or two. Think of it as a character builder.
You sure you know how to use all this stuff?
What's to know? We roast marshmallows, tell ghost stories, sing campfire songs.
There's more to nature than these odd human customs and mellow marshes.
Well, if it's so great, why don't they pave the road so people can actually see it?
We'll proceed on foot from here.
Yeah, at least I can get this junk out of me. I was feeling kind of bloated. What? You said to pack the bare essentials.
Since when are surround sound speakers, a strobe light, and a handheld media player bare essentials?
You should have seen what I left back at the plant.
Where did you even find room for all of this junk?
I'd rather not say. Ow! Nuts and bolts to this. So, where do they hide the outlets?
For the 100th time, there is no electricity in the woods. Fire is what provides warmth and light. It's also nature's way of cleansing.
Chainsaws and pavement are much more effective. Now, let me borrow your battery for a few hours.
Ow! I could use some of that cleansing fire right now. These marshmallows aren't gonna roast themselves.
Sorry. Have you ever actually been camping?
Well, of course I've seen it. In a movie. Maybe.
Uh-huh. Need a hand?
See? I don't need to learn any of this survival stuff. I've got you guys to back me up.
You must learn to survive without the aid of machines. You never know when you won't have them.
So, wanna hear a ghost story?
Hear a ghost story? I just found batteries for my media player. Which one do you want to watch?
You don't even have a screen to project it onto.
Way ahead of you, Nature Boy. Ah! No!
What was that?
Monster!
Ugh. Ouch. Relax, Bumblebee.
What? I've seen enough creature features to know that every poor sap who gets suckered into some lame camping trip winds up getting chased down by a monster!
They're called bears, and they're hardly monsters.
Gee, pal, I didn't know bears had shovels for hands. I guess I did learn something camping.
Shh. First, we must determine this creature's intentions.
I'm gonna go with hostile.
Carl, are you all right?
Sorry! Look out!